All right, guys. So welcome to this live session here with your host, Dre Day FX. So as we do every weekdays, we look at the Forex indices and metal markets. Hope you have a great morning. We are Wednesday, the 15th, so happy hump day. So let's get on to it. So I'm going to start with let's see. I'm going to be looking at the Forex pack for a few seconds here, so we could see exactly what's going on overall in the market. So we're still in the US government shutdown, so it's still ongoing. Remember that, guys. So be careful. So as of today, we have French final CPI month to month. That's pretty much right now. So let me refresh my page so we could see it. There you go. So minus 1%, minus 1%, minus 1%. So no changes on that. But other than that, let's see here. We have the M2 money supply. We have German 30-year bond auction. And that's pretty much it for London. So that's perfect. Perfect. So let's close this. I'm going to go on the TV Alert app. So the TV Alert app is basically my application here that's providing you with the institutional liquidity in the market that is connected to my trading view. So it's an actual indicator here that I have that's sending you those alerts here specifically. And basically, you just have to see exactly if when you get the alerts here, if it makes sense to take the trade or not. You can always wait just to confirm based on what you're seeing here on the market. If there's a retracement or anything like that, you could do that specifically. And also, we just added a feature here that is the news calendar. All right, so I added a news calendar here in the TV Alert app. So it's called TV Economic Calendar. So this is specifically high impact news alerts, not alerts, but news events, schedule reports. So as you could see, the next high impact move that we have is on the 17th here. All right, so in 2 days. That's for specifically the London session. So for New York, I'm gonna load New York on the New York session, but for our London session, there's no high impact news here to be triggered here for today. The next one will be only on Thursday, and as you can see, all right, so no high impact news here on that. And let's see here. Perfect. And let's go back here on the trading view. We're going to go on trading view here so we could look at all of the indicators here that we're going to be using. All right, so I'm just going to load that up. All right. So I'm going to go on German, since we're going to be looking at German here. So first indicator here that is called Nova. So this is an actual trending indicator that's providing you with bullish and bearish movement here in the market. So as you can see right now, we are currently setting up here for a sell. So if I do like a fib from the swing high to swing low, I'll do that right now for you guys before market actually open here in a couple of minutes. So we've got put a fib. You can clearly see here that we are already at 61.8, pretty much almost the golden at the golden ratio right now. And as you could see, the cloud when I put the fib is right at 61.8, and it seems to be going to break out here in a few minutes. So we'll see exactly if we're going to get a sell signals here for that. So that's perfect. Then the next indicator, and all I'm showing you guys, this is quoted by myself here. So you're not going to see that anywhere else than here. Next one is fair value gap. So basically pretty simple, provide you with fair value gap here in the market. And as you can see, we had a bearish fair value gap here. This is a 1 hour fair value gap, and price is at that fair value gap here. So we should be going down, and we have bullish fair value gaps here. So the bearish one will be next to a bearish movement here. And as you can see, we have multiple ones here, and the bullish ones are at the bottom here when price is going up, right? So we had a bullish move here. Then we still have liquidity at the bottom here to be taken out. So what to expect here on German, what I'm expecting here is price going lower, all right, and before going higher. All right, so that's my expectation here. So that's good. And next, we're going to be looking at high-low level. This is another support and resistance indicator that we have here. So basically providing you with the levels here in the market and some levels to expect. And as you could see, pretty much at that point, we have a support zone, and we have a fib retracement here, 50%. So pretty much at that area, we should get a reaction here to the upside eventually. And next we have the MTA. So this is a multi and time frame analysis. So that will provide you with the previous day high, low, and medium price. You can also open the dashboard. I'll do that right now here. Show dashboard. And it will provide you with the actual price level here for the daily open, the daily high, daily low, the daily close, all right, and the mid price. All right, so you could put your lines here, or you could. Me personally, I'm focusing on the high, the low, and the middle price to see exactly where we're at in the market. So I'm just gonna hide that. Boom. So as you can see, we're currently trading in the pretty much between the mid range and the high, previous day high. So I'm expecting the price to go towards the mid price. So it's basically like you could see that as levels here to trade off of. That's also good. Then you have a POC and VWAP. So POC is point of control, and VWAP is volume weighted average price. So as you can see right now, we are trading above the POC. POC is this line here. and VWAP is this line here, and this is the previous day's volume weighted average price, and this is previous day's volume, the point of control of the previous day. All right, and also you have the dashboard that will provide you with where we're at here. So right now, currently bullish here. The momentum is bullish, but right now we're trading below current VWAP. We're above previous day VWAP, below previous week VWAP, and below previous day point of control. All right. So we'll see exactly if it's going to bounce off of it or go lower, but I'm expecting to go lower, like I said earlier. And finally, we have MX AI with the Nova. So this is the trend indicator that I showed you earlier with one of my first indicator and one of the first way I was trading manually that was using the ADX, average directional index. So basically I'm waiting for a pattern on the average directional index to get in to confirm a bullish or bearish signal. And then I just look at the trend, and what I just did, I just combined the two of them, and that's what you have here. So, and you have to make sure that you're trading within that session. So, like you see that right now, I'm just going to look at that signal. So that was at the end of beginning of Asian. So I wouldn't. You could still take a trade at that point, but better to wait it out. But as you can see on Tuesday, price started to go down. Now we're going up, and we should be going down here. All right. So that's pretty much all of the indicators here. I'm going to go back here on Nova, open up Nova here. That will be the regular indicator I'm going to be using to start. And I'm going to go back here to see exactly if there's any message here. Yes. Hey, Leon, hope you have a great morning. So I also added here, yeah, so we're just going to go short right now. So we're going to wait for the signal. So we're at 3 o'clock right now. So we should start getting alerts. So I'm just going to prepare myself here. Move this to this screen. So I have three screen on my end here. So just going to prepare myself here. And we did have some alerts here at the Asian. So I'm just gonna see. We had Hong Kong 50, gold, and Japan 225. So Japan 225 was a sell, gold was a buy, and Hong Kong 50 was a buy. So let's look at that. So what's that? 806, 913, 921. All right. All right. So. And also, I added the French 40 and New Zealand, Netherlands 25 on the chart. So we may also get alerts for that. Oh, okay. So, all right. So France is a buy. Okay, I just find. Yeah, I was testing also the alerts just to make sure. I'm pretty sure there's one alert that didn't work. Let me check. France 40. France, no, everything worked fine. It says price unknown. Oh, okay. I received 2 alerts for France. So France was a buy. So let me check exactly the alert and see exactly what happened. So France is a buy. France 40 is a buy. If you're not comfortable with taking those alerts and trades, if on some that you don't trade it yet before, you could trade on demo just to see exactly the feel of it and all that stuff. Also trading on demo here just to see exactly what's going on. So UK 100 is a sell, and I don't see it. Hold on, I'm just gonna see exactly what's going on here. All right, so we have German for sell. So we just got the German sell and
Sell to 40 at price 24,266.1 on 15 AM time frame and time 3 hours 4 minutes and 13 seconds.
all right, so there's one signal that didn't work. Let me check exactly which one was it. I think it's one of those that I added. So disregard the unknown one if you have the TV Alert app. So that was an actual test signal. And I'm just gonna double check to see exactly what's going on. So we had the France for buy. This one is going to the upside. And I'm just gonna look at the actual signal. So we have a German 40 for a sell. Okay, we have UK 100 for a sell. And German and France 40 for buy.
Sell UK 100 at price
So UK 100 is a sell.
67.2 on 15 AM time frame and time 3 hours 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Sell to 40 at price 24,266.1 on 15 AM time frame and time 3 hours 4 minutes and 13
That
seconds.
was at 302.
Sell to 40 at price 24,266.1 on 15 AM time frame and time 3 hours 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Sell UK 100 at price 9,400.
So UK 100. Let me look at. Was that 306?
Sell UK 100 at
It was
price
at 302. 302. What happened at 302?
time frame and time 3 hours 6 minutes and 15
202, 202, 202.
Sell UK 100 at price 9,467.2 on 15 AM time frame and time 3 hours 6 minutes and 15 seconds.
That was at 302. The unknown signal that came in. All right, so let me delete that. All right. Perfect. So let's recap here. So we have a sell on German, so that one is looking good. UK 100 is a sell also and going strong to the downside, so that's perfect. And we have a France 40 that is a buy. All right, so let's. So we're 6 minutes in, 8 minutes in, and we had 3 alerts. So German for sell, UK 100 for sell, and France 40 for buy.
Buy FR40 at price 8,099.1 on 15 AM time frame at time 3 hours 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Buy FR40 at price 8,099.1 on 15 AM time frame at time 3 hours 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Buy FR40 at price 8,000.
So FR40 is a buy.
Time frame at time 3 hours 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Buy FR40 at price 8,099.1 on 15 AM time frame at time 3 hours 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Signal unknown at price 0 at time 3 hours 8 minutes and 49 seconds.
Okay, so it's something with the France 40, so I have to double check that.
3 hours 8 minutes and 49 seconds.
All right, so hold on, guys.
Unknown at price 0 at time 3 hours 8 minutes and 49 seconds.
And that was...
Signal unknown at price 0 at time 3 hours 8 minutes and 49 seconds.
All right, so it's something with the France signal. Okay, so I remove those two. Let me check. So France 40 is a buy, German is a sell, and UK 100 is a sell. So hold on, guys. I'm just gonna change my screen and show you. Screen for a couple minutes so I can fix that small issue here on the alerts. So I'm pretty sure it's let's see here. All right. Let's see, no friends. No. Oh, okay, there's 2 of them. French and no friends. What the fuck is that? French and no friends. No.
Buy EU50 at price 5,600.
So EU50 is a buy. Should be similar as the
Buy EU50 at price 5,620.2.
Oh, okay, got it. Okay, I see exactly what happened here.
11 minutes and 44 seconds. Buy EU50 at price
So it says unknown.
5,620.2 on
Let's
15 AM
close
time frame at
this.
time 3 hours 11 minutes and 44 seconds. Buy EU50 at price 5,620.2 on 15 AM time frame at time 3 hours 11 minutes and 44 seconds.
All right. I found the issue. So let me remove that. So France, say no. Remove. Now add the other one. All right, so I'm gonna check the. All right. All right, so Euro 50 is a buy, France 40 is a buy, German is a sell, and UK 100 is a sell. So just gonna wait it out here. So we may have a pullback before the actual move. FR40. All right, and I'm gonna remove this one also. It's gonna give me the same error. Hold on, guys. I'm just finalizing the alerts here for the two new ones that I added. There was one feature that was open on the alert that was not supposed to. And that's why we have that error when we got the alerts. We got that unknown message. And remember, guys, I'm also a coder, so I'm able to code some few subs in the fly live. $25, perfect. Netherlands. Oh, wait a minute. Added that on the wrong symbol. Okay, so I'll do Netherlands first, and I'll redo the other one after. All right, so we have four signals here, guys. Euro 50, France 40. Both of them are buys. German and UK 100 is a sell. What I want to do now. 25. Signal. Create. And let's go on the French one. And with the two new symbol, make sure to go on the, if you're on the Discord, make sure to go on the Discord. There will be a new list of symbol mapping on the TV Alert app section of Discord. So make sure to revise all of them. You should see the NL25 and the FR40 and see exactly when those alerts will come. So basically those two will come at the same time. So it should be at the London session, both of them. and the actual wording here to put for the TV alert app for the AI to give you the actual symbol. FR. All right. All right, so perfect. Now we're good. So let's go back here. And all right, so we're good to go now. All right, so let's revise the alerts that we got. So we had the first one was trends 40. So that was for a buy. So this one is currently should be in profit here. Just looking at my test account, so I could tell you exactly what's going on. All right, so friends 25. So small drawdown, but it should be in profit. We have UK100 that is in profit. German 40 is in drawdown a little bit, but should be going our way. And UK100, yeah, all right, perfect. So let's go back here. So Euro 50 was a buy, but we'll see exactly if it wants to go towards a region. It's already went up there. So it's trading above above POC and VWAP. We're going to look at so we're trading currently above previous day high. So still looking good. UK100 is looking good to the downside. So we were at previous day high and we're going towards those lows here. So mid-range and low right here. And for German, same thing. So we should be going lower here. We're trading near the mid-range. But it's looking good here to the downside. So let me know if you're trading something here right now. And I'm pretty sure you're focusing on your trades here. So make sure to trade accordingly. And this live is only for educational purposes only, guys, as always. So you make your own decision here. All right. right, so currently we have Euro, German, and UK 100 that it should be well in good profit here. Is right here, UK 100. What is going on here? It's retracting a little bit. Okay, let me remove this. Let's look at the pure price action. All right, and Euro 50. So Euro 50 is somewhat consolidating a little bit here.
Sell the 40 at price 24,200.
German 40 again for sell.
Time frame and time 3 hours 25 minutes and 24 seconds. Sell the 40 at price 24,200.
So we have sell for German 40 again.
Time 3 hours 25 minutes and 24 seconds. Sell the 40 at price 24,245.2 on 15 M time frame and time 3 hours 25 minutes and 24 seconds. Sell the 40 at price 24,245.2 on 15 M time frame and time 3 hours 25 minutes and 24 seconds.
Had another German for sell also. So we have basically 6 signal, 2 German, 1 France for buy, 1 Euro 40 for buy, and UK 100 for sell. So it should have 05, yeah. Should be 5 signals. Just gonna go back on my thing. Pre-trial is in profit of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I should have 5 signals here so far. What with that? That's Netherlands. This is this. Change retracting. It's going up. And friends. Let's go. I mean, drag on. All right, so let's go back here. You can profit, you can GER40, you can 100 close in profit, 15 minutes. EMX AI setup, right? Zero free. Put stop loss below entry in profit. German close in profit. All right, perfect. That's great. That is great. That's awesome. I know there was a small pullback here, but we should have a continuation here to the downside or the upside, depending exactly on the thing. So challenge. All right, so let's look at euro. Perfect, great, Leon. Congrats. Let me make sure to post that in the Discord when you have the chance. Let's get it. All right, so it's 3:31, so already 30 minutes past market open. So I don't think we're gonna get some more signals here, but we're just gonna wait it out here with those setups. But in the long term, they should be good here. German, pretty much a retracement here. All right. So make sure to journal your trades and all that stuff, and put that in the Discord. I'm just gonna open up Discord here. Let me close this. Don't need that anymore. All right. Let's see. Profit. Yeah, we saw that set up here yesterday. That's perfect. Remember, guys, I'm not even like looking at the when I do my lives during the day. I don't look at all of the setups and all that. So I'm just waiting for my live, and 15 minutes. I just look at the structure and see exactly what to expect. And you can clearly see that Germany was going down way before market open, and we had that breakdown to the downside. So we should be still pushing to the downside. Same thing for German for UK 100 and euro was supposed to still go up. Euro. Yeah, euro is reversing right now. So I may start to cut the euro trade. Yeah, I'll cut the euro trade. Oops. So I'll cut the euro trade. Where's the euro trade? Euro 50. I'm cutting the euro trade here. And I'll cut the euro trade. All right. From that euro, German still to the downside. So I'll let the rest run. Please check I closed the TP3. Okay, so let's look at all right, so this is the UK 100 trade. So got a sell signal here. So currently we're at TP2. This is on my feed, so maybe your feed is totally different than mine, but this is the setup here for UK. Now recalculated TP lower level. Okay, so when you got in, it recalculated for the TP. You said, Leon. Oops, I'm just gonna close what I wanted to close here. No, recalculated TP lower. Okay, yes, all good. TP was not position lower level. Okay, got it. All right. Yeah, sometimes it's gonna recalculate. It's pretty normal, but as long as you took that trade and you were in profit, so that's what is the most important thing. So once again, we had the UK 100 for sell, still going strong. German for sell. We had Euro for buy. Seems to be going back up. We had a buy earlier, but we had the institutional liquidity signal here for buy at the start of our session. And also we had France for buy, still going up. So the France 40 is in that Euro 50. So there's some France company that are in the Euro 50. So that's why most of the time they're gonna move pretty much the same way. So that's why I added it to the list. But you could always revise and see exactly what's up with those. German for sell, and it's why isn't big drawdown like that? Makes no sense. Okay, so it's going out now. All right. German in consolidation. Yeah, it should be in consolidation. So we're waiting for right now. I'm pretty sure it did its swing low right now. So let's go put a fib on it. Oops. I'm just gonna close this and this. So if we consider that as a swing, because we have multiple wicks here, this is a swing low, swing high was right here. So we may have a consolidation / pullback here to the upside before going lower. That's what I'm expecting here, because we have some fair value gap here at the bottom here that needs to be tested. So that's what I'm waiting for. So I'm not afraid that the price will go lower. UK is still going strong right now. So it didn't pull back yet. Not expecting a pullback neither, but all right. Once again, guys, we had the German for a sell, UK 100 for a sell, Euro 50 for a buy, and France for a buy, France 40 for a buy. Uh, Euro 50 is pretty much consolidating here. France is starting to reverse right now. And German, what time is it? Yeah, the candle just started. Just gonna look to see exactly where is that SL on German. Okay, so that is there. Okay. This has also these just little steps. Um, Okay. The diamond drink was not good. So. Close. Oh. Pourquoi son compte n'arrête pas de descendre? C'est ça que je comprends. All right, so j'essaie all right. C'est quoi ça? All right. Okay, let's close this out. All right. All right, so I think it's gonna hit my stop loss. All right, so I hit my stop loss. All right, so let's reconvene. So it's going towards those. Yeah, strong hope for sure. Yes. So I'm not gonna try to re-enter anything here. I'm just gonna make sure that signals are closed. All right. Just gonna focus on because we're at that retracement here that I was talking about earlier. So we'll see exactly if it's gonna break out of it. So that's 50%. We have 61 point a little bit higher. But I think they may go to that 61.8. retracement before doing their move and creating maybe a higher low. That was pretty much a big high here. So UK did hit my TP, but German hit my stop loss. So negative overall. And I'm just gonna see here. This one is at what? 700. So often in market manipulation. Yeah, exactly. Sometimes manipulation, but it is what it is. So let's look. So euro is going to the upside right now. German, France. So that means France is also going up. Yeah, it's consolidating a little bit here. All right, so let's Netherlands. We didn't have anything on Netherlands. Yeah, it's not moving that much. All right, so I don't think we're gonna have any other signals here other than those four. Yeah, so German is still to the upside. Already past 61.8. Yeah, they're done. So that swing 61.8. Yeah. Let's see. I'm just gonna look at another 5061.8, and the other one was this one. Boom. So you have also 78.786. So that's pretty much the range that the retracement could go. But I usually use 50% and 61.8. So that's 78% also. That would be like basically the max if they want to do an actual retracement. But right now it seems to be pulling back here off of that 61.8. Price is still ranging. All right. Yeah, so right now it seems to be stalling here off of that retrace that fib retracement. We're going to the top of the hour right now. So should be interesting here to see if they're going to retrace off of that. Like I said, uh, that was my original move, was right here when I started here. So now based off that retracement, we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna remove this. We're gonna remove this. So pattern to expect. So we had that impulsion here. We have max would be right here, and to go to the downside here. So it has to create a higher low because of that swing that was created here. We're still in the bearish movement overall because I still see a big gap here to the downside. So I'm expecting to have the price going higher here to do a higher low and to have a breakdown to the downside here afterwards. So we may have we may have that retracement here within the next maybe an hour or so. Whoops. I'm just gonna put that back. So we'll see how it goes. Early morning grain. Yeah, exactly. So, but it's looking good. So we had a retracement. So we had a small. If you took some small scalps here on the downside, that was perfect. So I think Leon, you took a trade on German also, and you were in profit. But now we had that retracement here that was given here, and we also have an imbalance here off of that candle. So that candle needs to be rated for sure. So if they do, they may do like a call it like a railroad track. So that means that we have a big bullish candle after we have a big bearish candle, and then do a continuation here to the downside, or vice versa. But right now, that price open up above above a little bit above that big candle here, but it may start to retrace down, and that will be confirmed as a big fake out fuckery. So no pain, no gain. Yeah, not terms with the euro. Shell in profit. All right, perfect. So euro in profit. Yeah, Thought I got out here earlier, but it's in profit. I think let me go back here. We're gonna go back on the TV alert app. So this is my app that I created, and everything that you're seeing, guys, is coded by myself. So you're not gonna see that anywhere else than here. Let me go on the Ergo. Perfect. Let's revise the alerts. So on our session, what we had here was, all right, so we had a buy on France 40. So it's currently in profit. German, we had a sell. At beginning, we're in profit. Now it's reversing. UK 100 is currently in profit. Yes. So that one is still going down. We had another France 40 for buy. So we had another entry option here. So it was at 30. Let's see. The first one was at 302 my time, and at 308 you had another signal. Then we had Euro 50 for a buy, and at 311, and the last one is German for a sell again at 325. So let's look at Euro 50. Let me close that and go back on the chart. So Euro 50, we were in a buy. So I said 311. So I'm going to put my line at 311 to see exactly what was the price action at that point. So 311 is basically at the first 50-minute candle right here. So the signal came in on this actual doji here. So then we had a retracement to the downside, took out some liquidity at the downside, and then it pushed up. So Leon said that he already took that trade and it's still in it, still going strong. And just have to look at your levels here to make sure that you're in the right space. UK 100 still in the downside, so it's looking good. So we had it that there was a 308, something like that. So that was on the first candle right here. Oh, no, the other one. So on this candle, oops, I'm gonna change my line here. On this candle, we had the sell signal, right? And currently in profit. Then we had the German is currently, we had a sell at the beginning of the line. So that was on the first candle right here. So you option to get out of that trade right here at the wick. Right now it's retracing. I took the trade, but it hit my my stop loss, and I put my stop loss based on off of that fib retracement. I would be able to get back in, but don't want to chase anything, guys. So take your loss, it's all good. But what I'm expecting here was that retracement off of those fibs for a continuation here to the downside, because we do have some good fair value gaps here at the bottom. So I could open my fair value gap edge, and you see exactly that we have a fair value gap here to the bottom, and it hit a bearish fair value gap here at the top, pretty much to the T right here. So we had multiple bearish. So we had a sell here, retraced again. So we should be going to the downside. All right, and finally we had the France 40, and that was the first signal, and that was on this candle right here. We had the buy here. And if you notice, most of these signals here are coming in on sometime dojis or some big bullish or bearish candle. How it works with the signal is that based on multiple calculation and all that stuff, you're able to pinpoint exactly when the actual institutional liquidity is coming in, and sometimes it's going to be subtle, right? And what's good with that indicator that I created that is pushed to the app is that it's giving you exactly when is the best time to get in, and if you want to wait for a retracement or a confirmation, you're able to wait it out and take your trade how you want to. Open. Yeah, XRP is recovering. Yes, yeah, all of the cryptos are recovering. So if we go back here on the XRP is at $2.51. Bitcoin is at 112K. If you remember, Friday was there was a big sell-off here. There was a lot of people that unfortunately lost a lot of money because I'm pretty sure they entered XRP a little bit late if they were holding XRP, and they they lost money here. And unfortunately, one of a crypto trader fortunately deleted himself because of that, and he was managing I think multiple clients portfolio with crypto, and it was basically over leverage. So I always say to if you're investing in crypto and you're not that good at trading, or you're starting to learning on trading, you cannot, you shouldn't be trading crypto. You should be holding crypto. Even me, I'm not even trading crypto. I'm able to, but I don't want to, because especially if you're trading with exchanges and you're using leverage, it's uh it's really it's really not that great here. Let's see, 345. All right, so yeah, seems to be consolidating a little bit right now. But yeah, we're waiting for that for sure, for sure. All right, so one last round of questionings, guys. So there will be another live here later on today at New York. So anyone that is looking to trade the U.S. indices, so US30, Nasdaq, S&P 500, Russell 2000, we will be in on this live here later on today at the New York. So I'm always doing those live here each and every day. So and you're gonna see exactly my analysis and all that stuff. And let me go back on German to see exactly what's happening here with German. I think I'm gonna wait it out a little bit. There you go. So now it's this one just closed next to that fib retracement. So it's starting to create that higher low that I was talking about earlier, guys. So if we have a higher low, it's pretty much right here. If it wants to do a higher low, so if you're using the fib, you could add the that retracement that retracement here, the 786 also. But we'll wait it out. All right. So if it passed that, that means that maybe the higher low will be a bit higher here, but it's all good. All right, so UK is still going to the downside. All right, so I just hit my stop loss. All right. So German is, we'll see how it's going to react off of it. So my favorite, I put it from that swing high to that swing low. And that was the retracement levels that we had. So UK 100 still going strong to the downside. Euro is pushing. All right, so that's great. And France 40 is also pushing. So overall, German wasn't a good setup because of that retracement. But other than that, all of the other indices were doing good. So for the automation, I'm going to remove German because it's fucking up the account, fortunately. But it's all good. We're going to focus on getting that back up and focusing on those US indices. All right, so let's close it out here, guys. So thank you so much for being on this live. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to like this live for me. So that's be really appreciated. And if you want to work, if you want to do some one-on-ones or work with me and have access to those indicators that Mr. Leon has access to, that is getting some profit here. I could show you exactly the profit that he had here yesterday on our Discord. So I'm opening up the Discord here in for people here. So as long as you're willing to learn and following up the system that we have here, you should be good. See, I'm a pretty chill guy. Been trading for the last 12 years. Yeah, 12 years. So September of this year was my 12th year. And so you see here, Leon Popsevich. So this is the person that is on my live currently. So he was using basically all the indicators here that I created and was able to make some profit here on his account. So you could see exactly what is written down here. So he took a sell here on US Euro USD, and that was on Monday that he took those trades. So Monday, that was a holiday. Leon is in Croatia, so he's not in the US or Canada, and me, I'm in Canada. So I didn't take any trades on Monday, but even on bank holiday, you're still able to take trades here. So basically, you focus on trading Euro USD and UK100. So that was the price, the profit that he had, and that was on Monday. Oh, that was Mondays, and that is straight on Monday. That was this one that he took on Monday. There you go. So that was his Monday profit, and that was Tuesday. Sorry, that's Tuesday's profit. And today, Leon, can you confirm if you're in profit today? Are you in profit today also? Smooth trading, UK100, Euro 50. So great profit. Yeah, exactly. Are you in profit today, Leon? Let me know if you're in profit, Kurt. I'm pretty sure you're in on those trades here currently. Oh, there you go. You just posted. Thanks, Leon. You just posted your 15th October 2025 profit. So let's look. So this is his profit here for today. So he had Euro 50 profit, UK 100 in profit, German in profit, another Euro 50, and a small profit here. So this is his profit for today. So $253. So he just sent in the profit live on our live. So yeah. So I just showed the profit that you just added, Leon. It's right there. Right there, right there. Perfect. All right. So we're going to close it out here, guys. And on London session, I'm always trading on my PJs because it's 4 o'clock in the morning for me. So I'm not gonna change myself to put something to put some clothes. I'm always on in pajamas. So if you go back on my lives on London, you're gonna see me dress the same way. So, and you don't need to be putting some good wardrobes here to trade. You don't need to do that. So it's all good. Good night. Thanks for the live and support. See you. And yeah, perfect. All right, guys. So let's close it out here, guys. So we'll be back here at New York. There's already a live setup here for today at around 9:15. So 9:15, the live will start. So make sure to open your notification here for the next live and see exactly the other setups you're gonna have here at New York here. So, and hopefully you're gonna be able to get some profit like this. All right, guys. That being said, hi. I'm gonna wish you a wonderful rest of your day, and maybe we're gonna see you on our live here at New York. So have a good one. Peace.